Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to turn a kiss into a portal of passion and divine connection? Hi, I'm Hani, a transformational coach, tantra expert, best-selling author, intimacy and liberation, yogi, and I've just created something magical that will forever change the way you approach intimacy and kissing. Infinite Cosmic Kisses, a guide to sensual liberation, intimate creation, and infinite connection. This isn't just a guide. It's your invitation to step into a world of infinite connection, magnetic intimacy, and sacred sexuality and sensuality. Picture this: kissing with intention, where every kiss becomes a gateway for pure magic. Feeling your body alive with sensual energy as your partner melts in your touch. Turning every kiss into an act of love, creation, and infinite pleasure. In my Cosmic Kissing Guide, you're going to learn how to align your energy for deeper, more intentional connection, awaken your infinite body, and use your lips as a portal to sensual bliss. Explore playful rituals that will transform kissing into a sacred experience. Let's be honest, most of us kiss without thinking. We just do it like default, missing the magic of the full potential of it and what's possible. And here's the truth. A kiss isn't just a kiss. It's an act of energy exchange. A moment to connect, create, and reignite passion. My signature YUMMY, your unique magnetic momentum framework, Yummy framework, teaches you how to, number 1, clear interference, let go of distractions to tune into your sensual energy. 2, activate your infinite being, align your energy to kiss from a space of creation. Number 3, magnetize intimacy, transforming each kiss into a delicious shared experience. And then also a real reason to get closer to someone, right? And feel more intimate and feel so loved and cherished and just like worshiped in your kiss, and like the desire igniting it into a place of fire. It'd be like blushy kind of fun, right? And this just isn't about kissing technique. It's about creating a ripple effect of love, feedback loop of it, confidence, and connection. In this guide, I'll walk you through practices to turn every kiss into a sacred ritual, like the cosmic breath kiss, how to use your breath and your partner's breath to create energy of harmony, and magnetic pauses, how to build anticipation, how to pull back, and how to let energy sizzle. These practices don't just enhance your intimacy, they open doors for a deeper, sensual exploration. When you download the Cosmic Kissing Guide, you'll get a step-by-step roadmap to turn every kiss into a sacred art of connection. Practice rituals to awaken pleasure and intimacy. Reflection exercise to align with your infinite being and magnetize love. Bonus tips like energy spiral technique to direct sensual energy into pure ecstasy. And here's the best part. You can get this transformational guide for less than the cost of a fancy cocktail, but with results that will last a lifetime and can be implemented in the second. Ira was saying, I never realized how much depth a kiss could have. This guide opened my eyes and my heart. Helen said kissing has become so much more playful and exciting for us. Thank you, honey. Josh said, this is something that I never knew I could reach, and the connection I felt with my partner was so special. Thank you. So are you ready to transform your kisses into cosmic experiences and deepen your connection with your partner? Click that button below and download. Enter in your name and your email where we want to send it to, and download the Cosmic Kissing Guide today and start your journey to magnetic intimacy. Or continue it. Your infinite connection is waiting, and I can't wait to hear about the magic that you create with your lips. Thank you.